15 Spring Boot Interview Questions and Answers 2024 Update. The Spring Framework is an open-source application framework with
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
many features that can be used by any Java application. On the Java platform, Spring Framework extensions are used for building and developing web applications. Suggested reading: JavaScript interview questions. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is another open-source Java-based framework used by developers for building applications. Spring Boot helps developers iterate on programs faster than with other sources. Spring Boot is one of the best backend developer frameworks used for building and developing web applications, allowing developers to design production-grade web applications. When it comes to interviews about Java application development, Spring Boot is one of the hottest topics. Since it has a built-in repository server, it is fast and helps build Java-based applications from scratch. To ace your professional career in web-based application development, here is the best source for you to impress your interviewer. This article discusses some of the necessary Spring Boot interview questions. Now, discussions aside, let's start with the main course. Freshers level Spring Boot interview questions. 1. Why Spring Boot and not Spring instead? Though Spring and Spring Boot rely on the same framework, Spring Boot has the most beneficial applications than what Spring has to offer when compared. Version management, auto-configuration, built-in repository server, component scanning, and many other such key features offered by Spring Boot make it more preferable than Spring Framework. 2. How does the Spring Boot framework work? The Spring-based framework of Spring Boot uses annotations and automatically configures the dependencies of the application added to the project. By using the @component scan annotation, Spring Boot will be able to automatically scan applications of the class that contains the @Spring Boot application annotation. 3. What is the @component scan annotation used for? On the class file, when the application initializes, Spring Boot scans for all the packages declared in it. By adding the @component scan annotation, the class file will be able to scan all the components added to the project. 4. How do you create projects in Spring Boot using the Spring Initializer? A Spring Boot project can be created by providing the project details and following the following steps. Navigate to Spring Initializer. Click on New Project. Click on Generate. Enter project metadata details. Click the Finish button. 5. What is Spring Initializer? Spring Initializer is a web application that is capable of generating an initial Spring Boot project structure. This provides the basic structure of the project by solving the problem of setting up a new framework while starting a new project. Intermediate level Spring Boot interview questions. 1. What exactly are startup dependencies? A special or particular dependency that sums up all commonly used dependencies for one particular feature is called a starter dependency. In a Spring Boot project, such dependencies can be added under the Dependencies section. 2. Describe dependency injection. Dependency injection is the process of the Spring Framework where the searched beans are auto-wired to the appropriate dependent class after identifying their dependencies. 3. What are beans in Spring? An object in a Spring class that is annotated with the @component annotation. Such classes are referred to as beans in Spring. These objects are managed by the Spring IOC container. 4. Brief overview of inversion of control, IOC. The Spring IOC container is the core of the Spring Framework. The container uses dependency injection, (D), to manage the components such as configurations and dependencies that compile the application. 5. What are the embedded containers that Spring Boot support? Tomcat, Jetty, and Undertow are the 3 embedded containers that are supported with Spring Boot. With the setting unaltered, Spring Boot considers using Tomcat by default. Advanced level Spring Boot interview questions. 1. Is it possible to build a non-web-based application on Spring Boot? Yes, it is possible. When the web dependencies in Spring Boot have been disabled from the class paths, a non-web application project can be worked on. 2. Can the embedded Tomcat server be overridden or replaced in Spring Boot? Using the starter dependency, the embedded Tomcat server can be replaced with any other server. Based on the dependency server required for the project, embedded servers can be replaced or overridden. 3. Name some of the important features of using Spring Boot and explain 1. Spring Actuator. Spring Actuator is a feature that offers a wealth of information about an active Spring Boot application. Actuator, for instance, can be used to discover which beans are generated in the Spring application context and which request paths are assigned to controllers. 4. What is the default port for Tomcat in Spring Boot? The default port for the embedded Tomcat server is ID 8080. This can be altered by adding server properties with Sever port to the file application property. 5. Brief about the uses of profiles in Spring Boot. We work in a variety of contexts when developing the application, including development, quality assurance, and production, and each environment has different configuration needs.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.